Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So today's video is a bag unboxing that I pre-ordered from Louis Vuitton on April the 26th, and almost a full month later the bag is finally here. You guys, this was my first and last pre-order from Louis Vuitton. The wait time was just too long and too uncertain. Before we unbox, I have to give you a quick update on the drop GM I unboxed in my last video. A few days after that video went up, I noticed a big scrape in the canvas that I completely missed, and after watching the unboxing bag, I saw it was there straight out of the box. That bag was my style all the way and I really wanted it, so I ended up ordering a replacement, which arrived over the weekend, and unfortunately it had issues too. Part of the canvas had a nice size crease, kind of like the creases the canvas Speedy 25s have from being folded. And if you have one of those, you know how hard it is to get those creases out. I still love the bag, and who knows, maybe if I come across one in perfect condition in store, I'll grab it. But for now, I'm just moving on. So with that out of the way, let's finally open up this box. I was planning on unboxing this in the last video along with the drop GM. It was supposed to launch on May the 9th, then it went to May the 16th, so I just decided to unbox it separately. And honestly, I'm kind of glad that I did, because this way I can give it the full attention it deserves. And the bag I've been waiting on is the Ivy wallet on chain in reverse monogram. So you guys, this is actually not a true unboxing. I had to take a peek at it first, and that's why the chain is already on the bag. With the bad luck I've been having with the drop GM, I just had to open it up first and take a look at it, and I'd say that it is in perfect condition. I absolutely love reverse monogram when it's paired with regular monogram. Now, when it's just reverse monogram by itself, it kind of feels like it's missing something, but paired together, it just hits every time. The contrast is clean, the mix is bold, and it really brings out the best in both prints, and it's easily, hands down, my favorite print Louis Vuitton does. I first learned about this bag from a CA on Instagram. She posted on her story that this bag was coming out, and I immediately reached out to her, letting her know that I was interested in it, but I wanted to see if anything else in reverse was on the way. She quickly checked the system, and the only thing she saw was a passport cover that I really wasn't interested in. I keep hearing rumors of a full reverse monogram collection supposedly dropping, but my in-store CA hasn't seen anything yet, and I didn't want to risk missing out on this one while waiting around for something that may or may not actually happen. So the Ivy wallet on chain is a flap style bag with reverse monogram on the top flap and classic monogram on the front panel. The black piping along the edges really sharpens the look and pulls everything together. It gives the bag a crisp frame that low-key makes it feel more elevated and less like your typical wallet on chain. Here's the side of the bag, and up towards the top, there's a black leather tab where the D-ring is attached. The back of the bag, and since this part is all one continuous piece of canvas, the print on the front flap is right side up, and on the back is upside down. There's also black piping along the sides and the bottom, which ties it all together and adds to that clean finish. The other side, and then here is the bottom, which is in reverse monogram as well. As you saw, this bag also comes with this gold chain strap. It's detachable, so you can always remove it if you want, but I think it gives the bag a really nice polished look. To get inside, it opens with a magnet snap closure. The inside is lined in a soft textile fabric, and tucked inside is the other strap it comes with. I'll show you that in a second. Inside there are 3 card slots, a flat pocket, and a zippered pocket up front. Here's something interesting that I noticed. On the original version of the Ivy, I did hear a few complaints about the canvas cracking where the bag folds on the sides. On this one, it looks like Louis Vuitton actually pre-split the canvas at those stress points, and you can see it on both sides. It looks like they basically weakened that flex point on purpose so the bag can bend naturally over time without snapping or cracking later. And no, you guys, mine is not defective. One of my friends has this bag too. She posted a short showing it, which I'll link down in the description box, and hers looks exactly the same. I think it's a smart little design tweak, and honestly, I appreciate it. The other strap that it comes with, I'm honestly never going to use. It's a black adjustable strap with gold tone snap buttons and 2 length settings. It's a nice strap, but I'm going to be using either my Monogram or reverse Monogram canvas strap with it because it gives me way more length to wear it, and I just think the canvas strap elevates it to a whole different level. So I also want to show you guys what I'm planning to carry inside. Technically, this is a wallet on chain, so it's not going to hold a lot inside. And I knew that going in. Lately, when I'm just running out the house, I've only been grabbing my key pouch S and a card case. So I wanted a small bag that could fit both of those inside without having to juggle them separately. So let me just show you how a few different things fit. So here's my key pouch S, and as soon as I put it in, it takes up almost all the space. So I don't know if I'll be carrying this inside. I may just have to take my key fob out and just store it in separately. A card case, and of course it fits inside no problem. Here's a hand cream and a hand sanitizer. So all of that does fit, but it's definitely a tight squeeze, and honestly, these aren't really my essential grab-and-go items. So let's take those out and try the key pouch S again, because realistically, I would want to carry it. So let's put it back in along with my Romy card holder. Now this is honestly how I envision carrying this bag. For me, it's just going to be a cute grab-and-go bag. So it was never meant for me to be a big storage piece or anything like that. So it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. And even though I don't carry my phone in my bags, I know a lot of you do, and I'll probably get questions about it. So this is my iPhone, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it does fit inside. There's actually a bit more room too, so I'm going to just toss the card case back in along with the hand sanitizer, and it all fits inside. There's also the zipper pocket up front, which honestly is not the smoothest, but if you needed more room for other slim essentials like cash or a few loose cards, they would definitely fit in there. You guys, I cannot begin to tell you how much I love reverse monogram. To me, reverse monogram is bold but still classic. And this bag takes all of that and makes it feel fresh and elevated without feeling over-designed or gimmicky. Again, I keep hearing rumors that there's going to be a full reverse monogram collection coming soon. I don't know how true that is, but there are a few pieces I'd love to see in reverse, like a mini pochette for sure, a Speedy 25, and maybe even a high-rise bum bag. I'd honestly be here for all of it, but for now, I could not be happier with my Ivy wallet on chain. So how do you guys feel about reverse monogram? Is it one of your favorites too? And are there any pieces you'd love to see in a future reverse monogram collection? I'd love to hear all your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.